The High Court has dismissed a writ petition filed by Communidade of Nagoa and has upheld the orders of South Zone Administrator of Communidade dated 12th November 2009 and the order dated 14th July 2011 of the Administrative Tribunal, which had denied the Communidade of Nagoa's plea to acquire shares of Jonkars who failed to claim dividends for 30 years. The Communidade of Nagoa invoked Article 438 of the Code of Comunidades, seeking to declare shares as lost to certain Jonkars for not claiming dividends over 30 consecutive years following a Gazette publication in 2008 and a corrigendum in 2009. It was contended by the petitioner Communidade of Nagoa that no matter dividends are declared by the Communidade or not, it is duty of the Jonkars to annually enroll themselves to claim the Jan means the dividends by the Communidade. Dismissing the contentions of the petitioner Communidade, the High Court noted that the records show that the Communidade had not declared dividends in the year 1977, 1979, 1980, 1983, 1984 and 1985, breaking the required consecutive period of 30 years. The High Court further observed that the Article 438 mandates dividends not being claimed for 30 consecutive years, but here in this case, undeclared dividends interrupt this chain of required 30 years. Hence, there is no requirement to interfere with the orders of South Zone Administrator of Communidade and the Administrative Tribunal. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.